Hey, this is Tanisha, and this is Abstract Challenge number 32 of 100. And for those of you who are new to the channel, I'll give you a brief overview. I am working on just trying new abstract techniques to keep my practice just kind of, open, and to keep myself open to trying new things, because I think that's how you make new discoveries. These challenges, basically, it doesn't always mean I'm going to complete a painting. Majority of the time the painting isn't completed because I'm just trying a new technique. But for instance, this one today, what we are doing, the goal is to complete a painting, and I used the old painting that wasn't really a painting. I just tested some colors on it, and I'm using this to try to see if I can complete this painting using the colors I already had on my palette from a different painting. So I look forward to just seeing how this comes out. I really like how it comes out in the end. So I hope, hopefully you'll get something out of this as well. It's just fun how you can take any colors you have and make something out of it. And so for this one, I have to say it really worked out pretty quickly. Now, it isn't a detail painting or anything like that, but it is, overall, I thought it was a decent painting. So as I started going into adding this light pink, this is when I realized, this painting is going to come together quicker than I thought. And so maybe we should talk a little bit about that. So sometimes paintings, they come together quick, and sometimes they don't come together quickly. And I will say it's rare that a painting, for me, comes together quickly. Usually I'll spend hours trying to get it where it feels comfortable. But for this one, I just made all the right moves and it seemed to come together. And I do apologize for the shakiness. I know why this is happening. I forgot to make sure my stand is holding my phone is not close to the table that I'm making a painting. So apologize for that. But in any case, as I started adding this color here, I started to feel like, okay, we're getting somewhere. I'm really starting to like what I was seeing, and I got to a point where I knew, okay, this is coming together. So I decided to put some matte medium over this, just so whatever I have done doesn't move as I continue to add more, add some mark making to it. Plus, lately, I've been having some issues with my mark making tools bleeding a lot. And so I wanted to make sure to cover up what I had just in case that happens. But again, I wasn't worried. The best part about painting is that I could just start over again. I might not get the same look, but that's okay. We can always start over, and that's what I love about painting as a whole. You can do it over. You may not do it exactly the same, but you can do it. In any case, right now I feel like it's really starting to come together. And I was really happy about it because I didn't spend hours and hours and hours working on this. So I started using my pens here to add some black to it, and to be honest with you, lately I've been not wanting to add a lot of black to my work, but then I kind of go back and forth. So I guess I'm back in the adding black game, or adding black to my paintings. So I was cautious about it, even though I knew I could always repaint over this. I was cautious to add it because sometimes when I've added black, I didn't like it. But I think sometimes I feel like it does something for the paintings, and that's why I wanted to add it. So right now I'm using some Neo color. I just love Neo color. I love how you can add it and add some water and blend it down, which is what I'm doing with my finger. And yeah, I just love Neo color twos. Not sure if you've used those before, but if you have, I'd love to hear how you use them and if you like them as well. So we are definitely towards the end of this painting. Pretty simple painting, but I like it. I think it's cute. Love the color. All my favorite colors are here. And so if you stay to the end, you'll get a quick look at how it looked at the end. And also I just decided to show it if it was hung up in a room at a bigger size. So what I love about this, even though this is a small piece, I'm able to blow this up pretty big and with a really great quality because of the scanner that I use. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you soon.